है, अपना बेस्ट दे सकते हैं। किसी भी मुकाबले में मौसम अगर खराब रहता है तो वो असर नहीं डालता, वो चीज पैदा नहीं होती जो नेचुरल मौसम में होनी चाहिए।
So yes, the two Japanese continue to be in the lead. The combination of Ayuka Janauchi and along with her is Nozomi Tanaka. The Indian Monica Chowdhury is still close on the heat. She slipped back to the 4th position. And we talk of the 1500 meters. Remember, human energy production can be divided into 3 complex systems for these. And the 2 of these are classified as anaerobic without oxygen systems because they do not require the oxygen but depend on the chemical reaction. It's still the Japanese, 1 and 2. The young girl, Tanaka, is now in the lead, but that slender lead, perhaps she may not be able to hold on. She's got the youth in her, but the experience. Ayuko Janauchi, 4 minutes 10.08, Asian Championships bronze in Pune in 2013. She wasn't amongst the medalists at Wuhan, but Prashant, the question is, will all her experience take her through, not only from the bronze in Pune in 2013, but to either a gold or a silver?
धीरे धीरे मुकाबला आगे बढ़ता हुआ 700 मीटर की दूरी तय कर ली गई है। भारत की मोनिका चौधरी इस समय 4थे स्थान पर चल रही हैं, जबकि चेंग मिंग चीन की एथलीट 158 तीसरे स्थान पर, और दोनों जापानी अभी बढ़त बनाए हुए हैं। हालांकि बढ़त नहीं है, गुच्छे में चल रही है, और आखिरी जब लैप शुरू होगा तब तेजी दिखाई देगी, और वो जरूर भी हुआ करता है। निर्णायक दौड़ आखिरी 300-400 मिनट में देखने को मिला करती है। मोनिका और साथ में चित्रा बराबरी से मुकाबला करती हुई। हालांकि ये मुकाबला भी देर तक चलेगा। जब चौथा और आखिरी लैप प्रारंभ होगा तब आपको तेजी और गर्माहट दोनों देखने को मिलेंगी।
Well, the Chinese girl is trying to slip in very surely. 158 is Jen Min, but the 2 Japanese are not allowing her to do that. That's a tactical race by the Japanese. Look at them, they are boxing her. Now very quickly into the lead, pushing her in the inside is Nozomi Tanaka. They're making sure that the Chinese will not be allowed to go through. The Chinese is trying to come from inside and then from outside. Uska Faida, the advantage is being taken there by Chitra Piyu. It's Monica Chowdhury who has fallen back out here. Will Chitra get one of the medals for India? She's lying in 4th position. Will it be the 2 Chinese and the Japanese? The Chinese now surging ahead. Prashant, this is going to be a tactic between the 2 Japanese. Look at Chitra out here. Wonderful race for her. Wonderful race. Oh, she slipped into 3rd position. Will she be able to hold it, Prashant? That's the huge question.
अब आखिरी लैप की तरफ बढ़ते हुए चित्रा, साथ में 2 जापानीज और साथ में एक चीन की खिलाड़ी चेंग मिन, और अब तेजी आपको दिखाई देगी फाइनल बैंड की तरफ बढ़ती हुई। आखिरी 100 मीटर की दौड़, चित्रा पियू सबसे आगे निकलती हुई।
Well, Chitra Piyu, this is a wonderful race. On her heels is the very experienced and the Japanese and the Chinese. But look at her going through. This is a wonderful event for her. Jinmen is left behind. Is it going to be Chitra all the way? Oh, 3 gold medals in just about 20 minutes. And this girl has really made India proud. Prashant, a gold in the women's 400 meters, a gold in the men's 400 meters. We did not expect her to come up with something outstanding, but this girl has come out with something superlative in the women's 1500 meters.
पिछले 25 मिनट में भारत के लिए 3 स्वर्ण पदक आए हैं, 400 मीटर दोनों वर्गों में, और अब 1500 मीटर। चित्रा पियू ने कमाल करके दिखाया। हालांकि अपने टाइम के हिसाब से, सीजन बेस्ट टाइम के हिसाब से वो पीछे चल रही थी, लेकिन इस दौड़ में, इस रेस में उन्होंने अपने आप को साबित किया। गोल्ड मेडल भारत को दिलाया। स्क्रीन पर आपके एथलीट गौरवान्वित किया तमाम देशवासियों को।
Well, the champion here in the women's 1500 meters, Piyu Chitra of India, and 3 Indians in a span, as Prashant just mentioned, in just 25 minutes. Yes, Kishore just pointed out to me how much of the advantage that the home conditions can do to you. This is the way she finishes. Look at her. She's got the 2 Japanese and the Chinese bunching her. She was a tactical girl. She came from the outside. She told the Chinese, Jinmen, stay back. I'm taking the lead right now. The 2 experienced Japanese, particularly Ayuka Janauchi, here she is right now being pushed behind. Jinmeng, she does not have the energy. Chinese normally have the extra energy. But Chitra Piyu is a bundle of stamina, is a bundle of resolve, and more than that, is a bundle to make sure that the tricolor will flutter very high for the third time this evening.
बिल्कुल सही कहा मिलिंद आपने, और सबसे बड़ी बात, आप तीसरे चौथे स्थान पर चल रही थी और उसके बाद ओवरटेक करने के लिए जो स्पेस आपने लिया वो भी अपने आप में बड़ी बात हुआ करती है। आप अगर आगे चल रहे हैं उसमें बढ़त बनाना सामान्य सी बात होगी, तेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, लेकिन ओवरटेक करने के लिए जगह बनाकर आगे निकलना चित्रा पीयू ने करके दिखाया और भारत को स्वर्ण पदक दिलवाया। लगातार तीसरा पदक, तीसरी ट्रैक पर यह इवेंट और तीसरा गोल्ड मेडल भारत के लिए।
Yes, this is a picture which will remain enshrined. There's no one on the picture frame. That's the beauty. There is no one still on the picture frame as she pressed the tape out there. Now, the Chinese comes into view, Jin Min, and then after that, the Japanese, the two of them. But this frail girl, you don't have to be very strong. You need to make sure that you have the pride of your nation.